How to get unbanned from the Facebook Marketplace. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get unbanned from the Facebook Marketplace. First, open Facebook and click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Now, go to Help and Support and select Report a Problem. Next, click on Something Went Wrong and then select Include in Report. Choose Marketplace as the affected area. Now explain your situation and provide details about your ban on Facebook Marketplace. You can also attach a screenshot for better clarification. Finally, submit the report and wait for Facebook's response. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.